Hey there! Before we dive into today's video, just a quick heads up. Don't hit that play button just yet. But while you're here, why not smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up? We've got some awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, let's watch together what the brand offers us, and then let's start our analysis.
Philips LatteGo Fabi 400, the fastest to clean milk system ever. LatteGo is the fastest to clean milk system with only 2 parts, no tubes, and it can be cleaned in 10 seconds under the tap or in the dishwasher. By using cyclonic frothing technology, Latter releases a powerful stream of micro-bubbles at a speed of 394 meters per second, creating a rich and dense milk foam. Easily adjust to your taste with 12-step grinder levels. The durable ceramic grinders can be adjusted in 12 steps, so you can turn your beans into anything from ultra-fine powder to coarse grindings. Perfect temperature and aroma. The aroma extract system intelligently strikes the optimum balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction by keeping. The water temperature is between 194F and 208F, while regulating the water flow rate, so you can enjoy delicious coffees with 100 ceramic grinders. Our shop-edged grinders extract the best aroma and flavor from your beans, made from 100% ceramic material, which ensures they last for at least 20,000 cups. My Coffee Choice. Adjust the strength and quantity of your beverage with the My Coffee Choice menu. Easily choose from 3 different settings to suit your preferences. Your perfect cup, every time. Thanks to 4 user profiles. Enjoy coffee you love the same way every time with 4 user profiles that store your customized recipes. With an extra profile, your family or guests can savor a coffee exactly the way they like, without changing yours.
And you, Philips.
First of all, let's watch together what the brand offers us, and then let's start our analysis.
Discover an endless variety of hot and cold creative recipes. Thanks to the innovative cold foam technology. New Aletta Explore.
Perfetto.
DeLonghi Perfetto, from bean to cup.
DeLonghi is a well-known name when it comes to coffee makers, particularly espresso machines and automatic coffee machines. However, while it may have been running for more than a century, its first coffee makers weren't released until 1990. It offers a wide array of models from manual espresso machines, single-serve coffee makers that use pods, and even fully automatic coffee makers. The De'Longhi Dinamica Plus is one of its top-of-the-range bean-to-cup coffee machines, which can create your favorite barista-style coffees at the touch of a button. It covers every step of the process from grinding the beans through to brewing the coffee, frothing milk, and even cleaning itself at the end. All you have to do is top up coffee beans, milk, and water. Sophisticated Dinamica automatic coffee machine with advanced interactive features. Choose from 12 recipes and enjoy a delicious drink with the Dinamica Plus automatic coffee machine. This high-quality coffee experience is enhanced with unique interactive features such as Smart One Touch, 3 user profiles, and the Coffee Link app for unlimited customization. This premium coffee maker is a must-have for every modern kitchen. With one touch, you can prepare coffee and milk-based drinks and 2 espresso cups at the same time. Create and customize recipes, manage profiles via Screen and Coffee Link app.
First of all, let's watch together what the brand offers us, and then let's start our analysis.
Nespresso Lattissima uses capsules. There's no grinding, tamping, fidgeting with the bar pump, or spilled grounds. And since the milk measurements are precise, there's no leftover milk to dispose of if you or your roomies just so happened to forget. The espresso maker is easy to use and a breeze to clean. If you're looking to invest in your daily delicious and easy espresso, the Lattissima One is truly among the top Nespresso machines, even after you've left formal education. So listen up and take note. The Nespresso Lattissima One is ideal for the design-conscious person that wants a pod coffee maker that looks good on their countertop. It's also an awesome choice for anyone with limited horizontal space since it's only 6.05 inches wide. Those who like simplicity will enjoy the ease of simply inserting a capsule and pressing a button for delicious coffee. Some of us like espresso machines that look like they belong in a coffee house. But this is not one of those massive industrial appliances. The Nespresso Lattissima One is not only compact and stylish in design, but it also comes in several different colors, including black with gray accents, shadow black, all black, porcelain white, and silky white with beige accents. If you're not a fan of stainless steel or black, this espresso machine is available in lighter tones too. There are two standout features. The first is the black window sensor that detects the remaining quantity of milk in the jug. This sensor allows the machine to automatically stop the milk frothing process when the milk jug is empty, essentially acting as a boil-dry protection mechanism. We also like economical and minimalist one-button design. In short, the length milkiness of your beverage is determined by how much dairy plant-based alternative is in the milk jug, so you're in full control, right from the start.
Thank you for watching. Your Nespresso Lattissima One machine is now ready to use.
Designed to demystify the process of making espresso at home, this machine offers value for money and proves that good things come in small packages. You might think it a bit rich to consider a machine that costs $329 good value, but it justifies the cost by punching well above cheaper competitors. Although it's not quite as high-spec as the Sage machine in the first spot and lacks a built-in grinder, the Bambino is the model I'd choose to have in my kitchen. Its pleasingly petite design and compact footprint means it's more convenient to have in a flat than a larger coffee maker. It looks and feels a lot more premium than other mid-range espresso machines, with excellent build quality and a brushed stainless steel body. It also has the same PID digital temperature control as the models above, which you won't find on many, if any, cheaper coffee makers. When it comes to actually making a coffee, the Bambino doesn't disappoint. It heats up and is ready to go almost instantaneously and has many of the same premium features as the Sage barista machines. It's intuitive to use and extracts the espresso evenly and consistently, so you get a great-tasting coffee every time. It also has an especially powerful steam wand that made even my amateur latte art look passable. The Bambino is a nice little espresso machine, but the $329 RRP puts it a little too close to some very capable rivals. If you want a machine that will allow you to develop your barista skills and dabble with future upgrades, then it's well worth spending around $100 more on the Gaggia Classic. It's chunkier and somewhat less user-friendly, but it's a vastly more versatile and capable machine. And if you want something that's easier to use, then you should definitely consider spending a little more on the Bambino Plus.